A bedroom should feel soft, calm, and welcoming. One of the easiest ways to create that feeling is by choosing the right carpet. A good carpet adds warmth, improves comfort, and makes the room feel more peaceful. At Carpet Hub, many people look for bedroom carpets that are stylish, soft, and practical for everyday use. With so many options available, picking the right one can feel confusing at first. The good news is that choosing the perfect bedroom carpet becomes much easier once the basic types, materials, and features are understood. Some carpets feel extra soft underfoot. Some are easier to clean. Some are better for a simple modern room, while others suit a more cozy and traditional bedroom. This guide explains everything in easy wording so the right choice becomes clear. Why carpet is a great choice for bedrooms. Carpet is one of the most popular flooring options for bedrooms, and there are many good reasons for that. First, it feels soft and warm underfoot. This matters a lot in a bedroom, because it is one of the first surfaces touched in the morning, and one of the last at night. Carpet also helps reduce noise. It absorbs sound better than hard flooring, which makes the room feel quieter and more relaxing. This is helpful in family homes, upstairs bedrooms, and shared living spaces. Another benefit is comfort. Bedrooms are meant for rest, and carpet adds a cozy touch that suits that purpose perfectly. It can also help with insulation, which means the room can feel warmer in colder months. Main types of carpet. Before choosing a carpet, it helps to understand the main carpet types. Each one has a different look, feel, and level of durability. Cut pile carpet. Cut pile carpet is made by cutting the yarn loops, which creates a soft and fluffy surface. This is one of the most common choices for bedrooms because it feels gentle and comfortable. It comes in several styles, including plush, Saxony, and frieze. Cut pile carpets usually give a warm and inviting look, which suits a bedroom very well. Loop pile carpet. Loop pile carpet has loops of yarn that remain uncut. This gives it a more structured and durable surface. It is often used in busy areas because it handles foot traffic well. For bedrooms, loop pile can still be a good option if durability is more important than softness. It has a neat and simple appearance, which can suit modern interiors. Cut and loop carpet. This carpet combines cut fibers and looped fibers in one design. The result is a textured and often patterned surface. It adds visual interest to a room and can make a bedroom look more stylish, without using bold colors. This type works well for people who want something a little more unique. Popular bedroom carpet styles. Some carpet styles are especially suitable for bedrooms because they offer a nice balance of softness, beauty, and comfort. Plush carpet. Plush carpet has a smooth and even finish. It feels soft and looks elegant, which makes it a lovely option for formal or luxurious bedrooms. However, it can show footprints and vacuum marks more easily than textured carpets. Saxony carpet. Saxony is another soft and elegant choice. It has slightly twisted fibers, giving it a rich and comfortable feel. This style is very popular for master bedrooms and guest rooms because it brings a touch of comfort and style together. Frieze carpet. Frieze carpet has longer twisted fibers. It looks more relaxed and casual than plush or Saxony. One of its best features is that it hides footprints and marks very well. This makes it a smart choice for bedrooms that are used every day. Carpet materials. Explain. The material of the carpet is just as important as the type. Different materials offer different levels of softness, stain resistance, and durability. Nylon. Nylon is one of the strongest carpet materials. It is known for its durability and long life. It also handles daily use very well, which makes it a practical option for homes. It is a good choice for anyone who wants a bedroom carpet that lasts for years. Polyester. Polyester is soft, colorful, and usually more budget-friendly. It feels pleasant underfoot and is often chosen for bedrooms because of its comfort. It may not be as strong as nylon, but it offers great value and style. Wool is a natural carpet fiber. It feels soft, luxurious, and warm. It also has a high-quality look that many people love. Wool carpets can be more expensive and may need more care, but they are an excellent choice for comfort and beauty. Polypropylene is known for its stain resistance and easy maintenance. It is a practical material for homes where simple cleaning matters. It may not feel as luxurious as wool, but it works well for many bedroom spaces. How to choose the perfect bedroom carpet? Now that the main types and materials are clear, the next step is choosing the right one for the bedroom. Think about softness. Comfort is one of the biggest reasons people choose carpet in a bedroom. A bedroom carpet should feel nice to walk on, especially with bare feet. If softness matters most, plush, Saxony, or polyester carpets are often good choices. Choose a suitable color. Color can change the whole mood of a bedroom. Light colors such as cream, beige, and soft gray can make the room feel larger and brighter. Darker shades can make it feel warmer and more cozy. Neutral tones are usually a safe choice because they match well with different furniture styles and wall colors. Match the bedroom style. The carpet should fit the overall design of the room. A modern bedroom may look better with a clean and simple carpet, while a cozy or classic room may suit a richer texture. Textured carpets can add depth, while smooth carpets give a neat and polished finish. Consider maintenance. Some carpets are easier to clean than others. Bedrooms usually stay cleaner than living rooms, but maintenance still matters. If easy care is important, materials like nylon or polypropylene can be useful. Frieze carpets are also great for hiding marks and check durability. Bedrooms usually have less foot traffic than hallways or lounges, but durability still matters. A carpet that keeps its look over time is always a better investment. If the bedroom is used by children or is part of a busy household, a more durable carpet can be a smart choice. Do not ignore underlay. Underlay is the layer placed under the carpet. It may not be visible, but it makes a big difference. A good underlay adds softness, improves insulation, and helps the carpet last longer. Even a simple carpet can feel much better with quality underlay beneath. At best carpet choices for bedrooms. There is no single carpet that suits every bedroom, but some options stand out more than others. Saxony carpet is ideal for those who want softness and elegance. Plush carpet is perfect for a smooth and luxurious finish. Frieze carpet is a great everyday option because it is comfortable and hides marks well. Cut and loop carpet works nicely for people who want texture and pattern. The best choice depends on the room, the budget, and the personal style of the homeowner. Common mistakes to avoid: some carpet choices look good at first but do not work well in the long run. One common mistake is choosing a carpet only for its color without checking the material or texture. Another is selecting a very delicate style for a room that gets regular use. Skipping the underlay is also a mistake because it reduces comfort and can shorten the carpet's life. Another issue is ignoring cleaning needs. A carpet should fit the daily routine of the home, not just the design of the room. Bedroom carpet care tips: after choosing the perfect carpet, proper care helps keep it fresh, clean, and attractive for a long time. Regular vacuuming removes dust, dirt, and small particles that collect in the fibers. A clean carpet always makes the bedroom feel more pleasant. Spills should be cleaned quickly so they do not turn into stains. Gentle cleaning products are usually better because they protect the texture and color. From time to time, deep cleaning also helps maintain the carpet's appearance. Heavy furniture can leave marks, so it helps to shift items slightly now and then. Strong sunlight may also fade some carpet colors, so curtains or blinds can help protect the floor. Final thoughts: the right bedroom carpet adds much more than style. It brings warmth, softness, quietness, and comfort into the room. By understanding carpet types, materials, colors, and maintenance needs, choosing the perfect bedroom carpet becomes much easier. A soft Saxony, a neat plush, a practical frieze, or a textured cut and loop carpet can all work beautifully in the right space. The best carpet is the one that matches the bedroom's look while also fitting daily needs. A thoughtful choice can turn an ordinary bedroom into a much more relaxing and welcoming place. Read more on hogdigest.com.